y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Welcome to the LeoKissez channel, and if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. All right. So I hope you guys have been doing good. I've been doing okay myself. So getting to the video, I have decided that I wanted to do a comparison between two different brow products. And let me tell you, I'm in this makeup group on Facebook, and I've always like worn eyeshadow, eyebrows. Like, I'm a brow freak. Like, I feel like I must have on brows. Like, it is killing me today that I do not have on any brows. I have been to the library. I have been faxing papers. Like, I've done a lot of errands with no makeup on. And I'm not going to put on my brows last. They have to be first. And because I wanted to do this video for you all, I was like, you gotta wait. Just wait. Just wait. And now here it is. Time for me to get ready to go to work. Again, y'all know I got another job, so it's about time for me to clock. It's about time for me to hit the clock for the next job, and I want to go ahead and get my brows done. So we got to get this video out of the way. Being in that group, like, y'all know makeup is a whole lane. Like I said, I always wore makeup and I always look cute with the makeup I decided to wear, depending on what I decided to wear. But I'm not the girl that's gotta have, like, I need makeup products, I need this, this, and this, and this from the same brand. Like, I don't have to have all that. Just give me what I need so that I can be cute. As long as I turn out, I'm good. So there are new makeup products coming out every day, and the makeup lane is very fast. That's a fast lane. And for those of you who are like me, who want to just look amazing and not get too much in depth and can't keep up with all the new products and everything dropping from day to day, I'm gonna break it down for you. This is gonna actually be a new playlist. I'll probably entitle that playlist simply makeup, or makeup, you know what I'm saying, and just leave it at that, so that all of my makeup videos can fall under that playlist. So the two brow products that I'm going to be comparing today are not from the same brand. I told y'all I don't care about that. So getting right to it, I have the LeoKissez pencil. Y'all know I use this. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I already use that. Then I have the WetNWild Brow Powder in the tone Ash, and yes, it was $2.25. And I've never used this. I have tried a brow powder before, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna say I didn't give it a fair judgment because I tried it on at work. I was just like, I don't want no blurry looking brows, because powder to me is like a blur. So what I did was I just kind of like took the brush, put some on, and I was like, I don't like it. We're gonna do it today because I love the pencil. And there's also an eyebrow gel, which eyebrow gel is like I think that is like the latest eyebrow product, is the eyebrow gel, and I have yet to try it because I'm just one of the pencil girls. Matter of fact, I should put a poll up. After you watch this video, I'll put the poll at the end. If you guys like the powder brow better, you can vote for that one. If you like the pencil brow better, you can vote for that one. So yeah, let's keep that in mind. And please, you guys, participate. I want to interact with you all more. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this bristle and brush my brows up like I normally would. And this is like a dark brown. Looks a bit different. It's a dark brown and tan and the white, but I'm gonna go in right here with this darkest color. Alright, so I normally just start right up under here. Okay, so now that I got that on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my LA Pro Concealer. This is in the tone Cool Tan. Yeah, it's busted. So let me get my brush. Normally I take the lid off of here and use the brush, and I actually just put the brush right up under my eyebrow, and then use my brush to blend it. But since it's coming out of the crack, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this directly to. Okay. And if y'all want to consider this an eyebrow tutorial, feel free. Okay, so that's basically like my brow, my powdered brow look. Ain't mad. One thing I would do in the front, oh Lord. Okay, one thing I would do is bring it out in the front, and I just messed this brush up. But I would bring it out right here in the front. Just a tad. Give it that whole coming into effect. Whatever. Alright. So now I want to go in with my pencil, my LA Colors pencil, and go to work. See, I can go so much lighter with my pencil. Well, especially with the LA Colors pencil. There are some pencils that come off really bold as soon as you start applying. This LA Colors pencil is very, very beginner friendly. I would recommend this to anyone that is just starting out doing your brows, because for the beginners, a lot of you have your eyebrows, in my opinion, because I'm not no expert. I am a professional cosmetologist, but you know, I'm not a makeup expert. But some of the brows just look way too stiff and bold. I do like very defined brows. Like I said, I like those HD brows, but you want to start off very lightly. And if you start off too dark too soon, you're gonna have like a skid mark across your face. So let me brush it. Alright, you guys, so these are my two completed brows. This is the powder brow, and this is the pencil brow. Can y'all get a really good look at those to see what you think? What y'all think about the brows? Personally, in my opinion, I'm gonna say this is one of the hardest decisions I've had to make, because I don't know, like I really don't know. This is crazy. I just knew I was gonna be like bump the brow powder, but I really like the brow powder. I like the brow powder. I just said it. So I do like how the pencil gives me the control. That pencil just blends out so well on the skin. So I'm feeling this beginning, but I am liking this ending. Like, yeah, I should use the pencil for the beginning of the brow and the powder for the ending of the brow. So I should do that. That's what I should do. So you guys, y'all let me know. Y'all vote. Let me know if you like the brow, the powder brow, or the brow pencil, or if you think what I said was a good idea by meshing them together and using the pencil in the beginning for a nice blended look, and the powder at the end for a nice filled look. Y'all let me know. As always, babes, thank y'all so much for chilling with me, tuning into the video. Make sure you watch another video if you don't have nothing to do. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have hit the notification bell, and make sure you like this video. So much. Much love to all of you guys. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Come back. Peace.